Hi everyone, so I'm super excited to show you this smoke detector alarm that I just got. This is a super important product that I think every house needs. So I'm super excited to open it, to install it, and to see how it looks. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, the first thing I see is this little package with some screws that we are going to be needing to install this. And the next thing is the smoke detector itself. Oh my gosh, it also comes with this double-sided sticky magnet. So you can choose if you want to install it with the magnet or with the screws. Okay, and here we have the smoke detector, and it comes with the user manual, of course. Okay, so you can open it like this, and then we can see that it comes with the battery already. The battery can last over 10 years, and it will give you a warning when the battery is low. So I'm gonna just put this right here, just like this, and it's super easy. Now we can put this again and lock it. If you wanna use the screws, you're gonna use them right here, but I think it's easier to use the magnet, so I'm going to be using this. So let's go ahead and install it to see how it looks and how it works. Okay, so I'm going to install that with the magnet. In my kitchen. Okay, once you have attached the magnet with the adhesive to the wall, you can use the magnets to put the smoke detector right here, just like that. Okay, now we're gonna test the alarm to see if it works. And it definitely works. Okay, now I'm gonna try to burn this paper with a lighter to see if it really detects the smoke. Okay, as you saw, the smoke detector definitely works. The battery is long lasting, the alarm is really loud. It will definitely work in any room of your house. I put it in my kitchen, but you can put it in every room. I definitely recommend getting this smoke detector right now, so don't waste your time and go buy one.